tripping, these runs begun. We guard these recipes, we guard these lands with a mason jar toast and a shake of hands. From CopperStillCo builders to the folks who run, we stand side by side till the job is done. No matter where we roam, the bond stays strong. This family of shiners, we all belong. So here's to the moonshine, here's to our tribe, here's to the outlaws that keep it alive. Hillbillies, craftsmen, distillers, they kin. Here's to the builders, shiners, and friends, the hollers, the mountain, seas, and all. If anyone needs us, we'll take the